Hello there. Today I will be showing you how to navigate your Outlook app on your school email. So you will start on woodlandcommunitycollege.edu or yccd.edu on the home page. Click Student Login and then Student Email. After inputting your information, your email password, it should open up a email-based learning objective. So what is Outlook? This is an email-based tool to directly email your professors, fellow students, and other faculty in your school district with questions you may have about your campus. You'll see this is a typical email format with your inbox, draft options, junk email, deleted items, and you'll see the different email tabs over here that you will see that professors may have emailed you or the campus may have events coming up, and it's an important tool to keep updated on campus life. So to compose an email, let's start with right here, new mail. You'll write whoever you are going to write to between your professor. The professor's email will usually be in their syllabus on their Canvas website. So you will type in your professor's name. CC is basically anybody else that you want to mention on the email. You're not directly writing to them as you would a professor, but they would basically be known that you are reaching out. Add your subject in case it's course help, assignment help, and then this is where you would type a professional. Dear Professor. And you would start with, I'm emailing you in regards to exam 1 or essay 2. Ask your question, and then at the end, it's important to write an endnote. Sincerely, your first and last name. There's also tools to where you can bold, italicize, and underline in case you have any important information that you really want noted, as well as a tab to attach a file, and you can browse from your desktop or OneDrive, upload and share it if you need to send something, if you need to send a link or send an assignment that you couldn't on Canvas, this is another great tool to do so. There's also the signature in case you want to look a little bit more professional on the faculty side, and it will basically have your information. So you'll see my information here, my name, what I do, and the address of the community college here.